Chrome video not playing in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Chrome application. Now just go to the Play Store application and over here you can just search for Google Chrome and see if there are any updates available for the application. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to go back. After that, I'm going to check on the internet connection on my device. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After checking on the internet connection, you can just go to the Chrome application and just long press on the application and you can see the option of app info. Tap on that. Then you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. Tap on clear data. So just tap on clear cache. Okay. After that, you also need to go for your data usage and make sure that you have toggle on the options of your mobile data, Wi-Fi and background data so that you get assurance that you have connected it to the connection of the Wi-Fi or the mobile data and gave it access to run at the background as well. After that, your problem will definitely solve. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.